அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். I'm L. Vastina Sherlin, Standard 7, studying Lourdannai Girls Higher Secondary School. I'm also a student of Junior IAS Academy. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஹியூமன் anatomy லெசனில் க்ராஸ் anatomy-னா என்னன்னு டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். வெல்கம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். Pleasure morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about human anatomy. What's the topic? Human anatomy. Part 2. They are the constituents of the cell. So cell and the organs mainly consist of these slowly. If you see that cells or group of cells when actually do that form the tissue. So tissue is actually a selection of cell and a group of tissues. What happens? They form organs, and many organs join to form a organ system, and many organ system together they form a organism. So from simple to complex, this is how of human body is actually built, and the representation of the right side. So that is what has been the one usually from molecules. To be heart cell, that is muscle fibers of the heart. And slowly, how do they form the tissue and the synthesis of the heart? How the heart is formed and the circulatory system. Like that, various systems, what happens? They join to form a whole organism, that is our human. Now, broadly, to study anatomy, it is called gross anatomy. Why do we call it as gross anatomy? Is because we appreciate the structures in our body grossly. When we see through our naked eyes, that is actually called as gross anatomy. Now, this gross anatomy can be broadly classified into regional anatomy, and other is the systemic anatomy. Now, regional anatomy is which considers organization of human body into segments or major parts. So here we able to see thorax is a region. Number 2, abdomen is a region. 3, cervix or cervical region. 4th, head region. 5th, back region. 6th, gluteal region. 7th, popliteal region. So like that, various region. Now, this is one way of reading gross anatomy, that is called as regional anatomy, where we approach region by region. The next method by which we can understand or read anatomy is actually called as systemic anatomy. What happens in the systemic anatomy is it recognize the organization of the body into organs or collective apparatuses that work together, and of course you all know what is systemic anatomy. You approach systemic anatomy so various systems. Naturally, you integumentary system, which is mainly the skin and its appendages, which deals with the appendages. Then you have a skeletal system which deals with your bones. Of course, one muscular system, second nervous system, third endocrine system, and last fourth one is cardiovascular system, and of course some other system which also know as here is the respiratory system and second reproductive system. So other we can approach by through system wise anatomy or regions we other subdivisions of anatomy apart from the gross anatomy. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஹியூமன் anatomy லெசனில் gross anatomy-னா என்னன்னு டீட்டெயிலாக பார்த்தோம். மீதியை நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம்.